Welcome to this tutorial of the Kiev International School Moodle. One of the first things you're going to need to do to access the Moodle is to go to your web browser, and this can be any web browser, whether it be Safari in a Mac or Internet Explorer. Right now I'm using Firefox. You're going to type in kas.net.ua/study and hit enter. What you're going to see right now is the basic format of the Moodle. But before you can actually interact with any of these classes that you see here, you're going to need to log in. Now your teacher has sent you a username or a login and password. If you have not gotten a login and password, it is vital that you get that. Please contact your teacher or Jane at the school, and we'll make sure that you get that and you're enrolled in the classes that you're supposed to be in. We're going to go to login. Each student will have, as I said, a username and password, and they will log in. Once you log in, you will see only those courses in which you are enrolled. So this student, for example, has been studying in these classes since August, and these are the classes then that would appear on the Moodle. Literature 2 with Mrs. Kennedy, Math Studies with Mr. Jackson, 12 Cultural Studies with Mr. Burke, and 11 Reading with several teachers. Now this is not going to be an uncommon sight that you would have 1, 2, and even 3 teachers for a specific course. Because we have multiple sections of a class, these teachers are working in cooperation to create a Moodle that fulfills the requirements for 11 Reading. Now what you're going to see as you hover over this is it says click to enter this course. You would click on each course and it would give you information about what you need to do for that course over the next few weeks. Mr. Allman, for example, has created a course for poetry, and there are daily learning activities. Students will click on each of these to find out what they're supposed to do. Now many teachers have included an e-text, and I'll show you what that looks like. Basically, you'll recognize the format as the textbook, and it has been cut down to just include the necessary pages for the assignment. And it appears that they're working on poetry, and there's information in there. So teachers are making it possible for students not to have to carry books with them, but to simply access books through the internet. And it's like this for all of the classes. Teachers will have information for the students. They will have projects for the students. They'll have links for them to go to. Some teachers will have specific daily assignments. Others will have larger projects that students will work on a little bit at a time. And if you have any problems accessing your site or logging in, please contact your teacher or Jane at the school. One way to get a hold of a teacher's email, in case you need it, is to go to the regular Kiev International School website, qsiweb.org, and once there you can scroll down, and along the right side here you'll go to a Faculty and Staff button, and there you will see administrative staff. Along the top you can find any staff that you need. If you're looking for a middle school teacher, you can click on that link and it will give you the web address or the email of each middle school teacher. So you'll have that available. It also works for secondary school, lower school, and our language and specialist teachers. So if you have any problems, please contact your teacher or Jane at Kiev International School for help. And good luck with the Moodle.